Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. The Federal Reserve delivered a 25 basis point rate cut yesterday, but Chair Jerome Powell's hawkish comments sent shockwaves through crypto markets. Powell stated a December rate cut is not guaranteed, triggering immediate sell-offs. Bitcoin dropped from $112,000 to $110,000. Bitcoin ETFs saw $470 million exit, led by Fidelity and ARK-21 shares, while Ethereum ETFs recorded $81 million in outflows. Traders remain cautious about future policy moves amid the ongoing government shutdown. Solana's spot ETF debut shattered expectations. Bitwise's Solana staking ETF attracted $69.45 million on day one, the strongest launch among all 850 ETFs introduced in 2025. The product generated nearly $58 million in trading volume. What sets this apart is its unique offering. Investors receive approximately 7% annual staking yields while gaining price exposure. Grayscale also launched its Solana Trust on NYSE Arca with staking rewards, positioning Solana as a Tier 1 institutional asset alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. Western Union chose Solana over XRP for its upcoming stablecoin launch. The 173-year-old money transfer giant will launch USDPT on Solana in the first half of 2026. With Western Union moving $150 billion annually and targeting hundreds of millions of users across Latin America, Africa, and Southeast Asia, this represents massive validation for Solana's infrastructure. Anchorage Digital will provide custody services. Europe is entering a Bitcoin reserve race. France proposed accumulating 420,000 Bitcoin over 7 to 8 years through public mining using surplus nuclear power, retaining seized Bitcoin, and allowing tax payments in Bitcoin. Germany's Alternative for Deutschland party then introduced a motion to explore a national Bitcoin strategy as an inflation hedge. These initiatives mark the first serious attempt by major European economies to treat Bitcoin as a sovereign asset. At current prices, France's target would be worth over $25 billion. Mastercard is making a major bet on stablecoin infrastructure, entering advanced talks to acquire Zero Hash for between $1.5 and $2 billion. Zero Hash processed $2 billion in tokenized fund flows in just the first 4 months of 2025. This follows Mastercard's reported interest in acquiring crypto payments firm BVNK. The stablecoin market has surpassed $312 billion, with analysts predicting $750 billion by end of 2026. Consensys, the company behind MetaMask Wallet, has hired JPMorgan and Goldman Sachs to lead its initial public offering, which could take place as soon as 2026. A major regulatory obstacle was cleared when the SEC moved to dismiss its lawsuit against Consensys over MetaMask's staking features. The company last raised $450 million at a $7 billion valuation in 2022. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.